Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button below and also like this video. Today I will be showing you my 2-minute cake with Chef Jules vanilla cake mix. First, I broke 2 large eggs into a bowl. I added a cup of liquid milk and stirred. I also added half cup of vegetable oil and stirred it with my mommy's eba stick. After adding vegetable oil, I also added 2 teaspoons of vinegar, but if you don't have vinegar, you can also use lime juice. Then my favorite part, where I pour the cake mix into the liquid mixture. Chef Jules advised we mix about 30 strokes. Finally, I poured the cake mix into my already greased baking pan and put it in the oven for 30 minutes. It came out yummy. Shout out to Chef Jules of Cake Flair for my cake mix. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you again next time. Bye.